Hello again. Last time for the day. Maybe one more, I don't know. Canadian comedic or comedian Canada. The Canadian comedian. This one's for you. The funniest Canadian I know. Maybe the only one that I know. But anyways, I'm going to be testing some different lights that I would like to put up for lighting, obviously. Got a few different ones from eBay. These ones over here I bought from a LED shop that was closing or something like that. This is the biggest cob that I could find. It's pretty sweet. Even the top one that is dicked up. These are some good ones. These are some expensive good ones. Can't remember the brand of them right now. It'll come to me. Cree. That's it. Both of these are Cree. Got some decent bar cobs. Anyways, I'm just gonna go through and test them. And watch, cool. If not, fuck off. I guess I'll start with these ones first. I'm not gonna keep showing it in the shot, but I'm just starting off the power supply at low voltage, 1 milliamp. I'll probably even turn that down so it's reading 0, and it's just running microamps. And I'll crank up the voltage until it starts to pull the current, and then see. Well, I guess it's easier to show than tell. I'll start with one that I know is going to work how I expect it to. Turn that on. Alright, so this is good. Very, very good. All of the LEDs are lit up. They're like 9.9. I can lower it a little bit more, and they'll still be lit right there. All of them are lit up, and that's the way that's really best to see if it's going to be a good LED cob or not, because if some of them aren't lit up, or if some of them are lit up brighter than the others, one of them that's hogging the current is going to be the one that shits the bed and burns out first, and then that series string is going to be having a lot more current because it's one down, or that parallel string, sorry, series, it's not going to keep going, but the parallel string that one is out of, it's going to be hogging a lot more current, and then the rest will start to go. This is a 28 by 4 series 28 parallel. It started at 9.7, so I don't remember what the wattage is on this. Whoa. Need to tighten that up, sorry. I'm gonna assume that it's 12 volts. 10 milliamps. It's at 10.32. What's a better way to do this? Got a polarized sheet, but it probably isn't the best way to go about it because they're just gonna look like dots no matter what. Yeah, I can't even fucking see it through that. $52 milliamps, 10.5 volts. Pressure one's more than just 1 milliamp at a time. Anyways, 10.8. There we go. So 1.5 amps. It's finally at the 12 volts. That's a pretty bright light. A fucking plus. Apparently I've tested this one before. Anyways. It's getting pretty hot pretty quick. Yeah, drop down to 11.8. Because of course as LEDs heat up, their forward voltage changes. Current goes up. Alright, I'm gonna turn that off. Ooh. So yeah, that's pretty good. Trouble with this one now is heat, because I really haven't decided how I'm going to drive these. I think I'm going to do like pulse width modulation, or pulsing a much higher current at a lower duty cycle, like 10% duty cycle, maybe put a couple amps through this and a couple other like these in series. If I did in series, I'd have to have a 36 volt supply. Got a 12 amp transformer. Yeah, I could only do 2 in series with that. Anyways, we'll get to the good one. Because all these, I mean, they're cool. I guess I'll show this weird one first. Because I've never seen LEDs like this. They're just in cop style. Looks like they got 7 in series, 6 parallel. Or, no, sorry, 7 parallel, 6 series. So, math tells me that it's going to need more voltage. Yep, it doesn't even try to come on at 12 volts. Or at 22. There we go. See, that's a shitty one. Look at that. Also why I wrote no fucking good on it. Now let's get a little zoom action going on. One whole row isn't even lit up. That's terrible. I can get it to light up. One moment. So for it to even think about coming on, it takes 5 milliamps. Yeah, 15 volts. Alright, I'm not gonna do that again. Crank it up to 100, it's staying around 16 volts. The current's dancing around, but that's because the current hogging. So I'm not even gonna waste my time with this piece of shit. I could just throw it up there, and whenever it dies, take it out, change it, but I kind of want to make it and not have to worry about it for a while, so. Whoa, too far, too far. That's better. The no fucking good pile. Let's do one of the Crees, because they're pretty. I think this is a 12 volt one. So it's 4 of them in one nice, neat little package. Current back down. Climbing 9.9 volts. It comes on. Actually 9.3, but that's neither here nor there. Let's crank it up to 13. Change the current. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Pushing 450 milliamps before it gets to 11.9. 750 milliamps. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That is bright. I think I got 6 of these. Yeah, with autofocus or auto white balance on, it's kind of hard. But that thing got hotter than hell in a matter of a minute. Whew! Shit. Burned my tootsies. Yeah, those are really, really good. I guess I could use like some beefy ass heatsink. Whoa, wrong way. Like this. But one, this is for a computer. Two, three, how the fuck would I hang this thing or mount it so it's hanging above me? Just put it up by drawstrings, run a separate 12-volt supply for the fans. I don't know, that just seems pretty redneck to me. Trust me, I know redneck. So I have two more, there's no fucking good ones. I don't want to even waste my time with that. Can't remember which one of these I have like 24 of. But they're basically the same thing. One's just, I don't know, white. The other one's yeller. So, alrighty. 7.7. Very nice. Ooh, so bright can't even look at. Guess I really haven't thought of my voltage specification. But if I'm doing pulse width modulation, it doesn't really matter because I can put a dropper resistor in series with all of the LEDs just to make sure that they don't get too much of either current or voltage or both. It's pretty bright at 70 milliamps. Pretty impressive. Nothing compared to the Cree, but anyways, let's get on to the Big Daddy. Enough dicking around. This one's a sad excuse for a light, too. I'll start it off at 2 milliamps. I'm pretty sure it's shit even at that. Yep. That's not the white balance. That's actually the light. Drop down to 9 volts, 1 milliamp, 2 actually, but lost in the cable. There we go. Still not on all of them. Still not. Still not. Come on. You can do it. There we go. 20 milliamps. Now, I think this one said 14, or no, 20. God, I don't remember. Such a bad memory. Maybe I'd remember if I wouldn't have got this like 2 years ago. Well, let's see what it takes to get to 12 volts. 2.5 amps, 12 volts, 12.3. It's staying remarkably cool, but this has quite a bit of aluminum on the back. See if I can feel anything. Yeah, right there on those ones that started first, they're getting warmer. Just barely. By no means hot. I'm sure once these things get hot, though, they stay hot. Forever. And ever. And ever. Warm like the sun. It's beautiful. Yes. Wonky little wire is about to fall off. So I clipped the leads off of it because it sucked. Now I bought 3 of these. Only one was truly shit. The rest of them were pretty good. Now that's a little dirty, but the best way I found to clean cob lights was with baby wipes. Yay! Clean bum and a clean LED. That's beautiful. So beautiful. Negative. Positive. Is that on? Yeah. A little bit higher voltage starting than the last one. And what do you know? All of them come on at once. Ah, it's magic in its own right. 9.86. That might be lower. Whatever, it doesn't matter. So that's just based on what my minimum could ever be. Of course, I'm not gonna ever get that low. You fucking piece of shit. See, that had 12 volts at 2 amps. I don't know if that's the difference between the cool white and the warm white, yeller, whatever you want to call it. This looks much brighter to me. I don't know, maybe it's just me. My eyes are going blind. That's not even, wait. Yeah, I had 2 cool whites. Nice. Those are the cool white ones are the ones that work. The warm white one's the one that sucks. Sweet. So now I just have to find a way to mount 2 big ass things. Say the dimensions on it. No. What does that say? Brighten your life. Made in China. Okay, fantastic. Oh, there we go. I knew one of them had the name on it. Sun bulbs. Now, these are probably made by 2 different people, and they look pretty close to the goddamn same. But they're not. Obviously, this has a thicker line around the outside. And feels like it's a little bit thicker plating. Yeah, it is. Just a wee bit. Oh, son of a bitch. This is warm white. That's cool white. God damn it. Damn it. I had 2 warm whites. I thought I had 2 cool whites. Why would I get 2 warm whites? Dumbass. Yeah, too late now. I guess we'll try these. I don't have any wires soldered to them, so I gotta get my pokey bits. Ram them on these shitty leads. Yes. Tape? Oh, that's something. Come on, light, work with me. There we go. Now, why wouldn't they just have one whole plane? Why would that split it into 2? Oh. Guess it's based on the LED itself. Let's see, there's a gap. Terminal. Alright, well, whatever. Should probably lower the current faster. Thank you. Thank you. Positive. Dope. Did you see that big bright flash? That's what I'm after. So it's at 12.3 volts. Drops down to 7. It's doing that because of the capacitors that are on the output to the power supply. They're dumping that extra voltage from, well, they're dumping joules, and it's quickly limiting to the 7.7 volts or whatever, 8 volts. So it goes from bright to not bright, bright, big flash to nothing, big flash to nothing, to nothing, to nothing, to nothing. But all those are lighting uniformly. That's very nice. These are pretty thick too on actual copper. Might do something with those. Just might. Those are really neat. You can see the chips really well on these. Let me zoom in here. Get a picture of my hand. Camera. My hand. Look at my hand. There we go. There. What's it feel like? Squishy. I don't know which ones I like more. Yeah, some of these ones, standard eBay special, 5 water. I think it's like 6.3 volts that this runs at. And I have a metric shit ton of the 1 watt ones. I think I have a couple hundred of them. Made a couple bids on auctions where they were selling like 50, and I won multiple ones of 50. And then they made it so I couldn't bid on any more of their auctions. Dickheads. I do these. They're 12 volts. Put them back to back because I actually have a lamp that looks way bigger than it really is. Because I have a lamp that these would fit on nicely. These ones actually are as big as they look like. They're huge. I think it's well, let me see here. We got 22 centimeters by 11. 22 by 11, which it says right there, 11.2. Yeah, that is insane. 220 millimeters, 112.7 millimeters. That's fucking nuts. I got some big hands for big fat man. Not that fat, but yeah, it's nice. I like that. I want to use these. I gotta think of a way to use these. Guess next I'll make a circuit.